as good as fiber.
Are they put to sleep to do this?
Well, sometimes we actually get the veterinarians involved.
Really?
And drug horses.
They're the ones that are really jumpy and wild.
Well, not so much now. In my, I'm gonna get.
No, see, that's upstage it.
Just out of the way.
It must be nice to be like that. Just,
Well, I got that effect from women.
oh, that's quite an effect. Of course, perhaps 3 times a day.
Yeah,
4 or 5.
Well, probably more than that. I don't know exactly, but a lot.
Maybe odds of it happening now. So
Took a shit on him.
No, well, it could happen again. Horses do have a tendency that when you're working on their back end, they like you to lean.
I swear, I think she leans on me because she knows she can.
Well, another thing that's they lean back. If you don't lean on them, they won't lean on you.
Well, I'm not trying to lean on her. Just trying to keep this buzz off the ground.
It was time to fire up the forge and hot fit the back shoes. But the hazards of this job don't always come from an impatient air. Note to self. Don't let too much gas build up in the forge before igniting.